and then go whoop, all the way around, okay? Some people go one side, the other side. I think we need to go all the way around. I think supposed to be one twist.
Okay, come this way. Come this way. Over by Daddy.
You left-handed?
Yeah, I'm left-handed.
Right, put the knife. Grab the knife. Okay. So, you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to grab the head with your right hand and pull it down. Okay?
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
Gotta be strong. You gotta be strong.
Be strong. You got a good grip.
You gotta cut in. It's gonna take more strength than you think.
This knife is very sharp, okay?
Okay, I'm scared.
Daddy's gonna help you.
Ready?
Ready, set.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I want to hold his hand. I want to hold his neck anymore.
Okay. You want Daddy to do it? All right, back up. Let Daddy do it.
You wanna do it, son?
No, I still want to like cut his neck, but I don't want to hold it like there.
I want you to hold it too, because I don't want my hand to be in the way.
I'll do it.
Hold his head, son.
And then I'll flick it with you?
Yep.
Okay. That's a fun thing.
Come this way, son. All the way. All the way. Over to me.
Oh!
Gotta grab him now.
I'm scared.
All right.
That's it. Pull him down as hard as you can.
Ready
Get that
for
neck.
blood? Get on your hand, okay.
All right, Sophia.
My hand quick, right?
And then just get your hand down as low as you can toward his head. Like that.
Oh, get a good grip and okay.
Ready?
Ready, Sophia? You gonna do this?
Yeah,
Ready?
I'm watching. That's all I'm doing.
You're not doing it?
No.
Okay.
I'm just watching.
Okay.
Move my hand quick, right?
Okay, no, just hold
Just
it.
hold it. Hold it. Hold it steady. Hold it tight.
Ready? Hold it tight. Hold it tight.
And go.
Wait, what?
It's bleeding. Hold on.
Oh.
His feathers are too tight.
Don't laugh, baby.
Wow. Alright. Grab it now.
Yep.
Flick it.
Ready? And is it bleeding yet?
Heck no.